What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more cases for the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. Now, in my hands, I have the Nimbus 9 series. This is the Series 2, and this over here is the Phantom 2. We're going to open these up, we're going to wireless charge test them, and we're going to see how they fit. So let's check them out. So first off, we're going to start with the most minimalistic in the bunch. This is the Phantom 2. Comes in the smoke gray color, comes in this clear color. Now, cool thing about the Phantom 2 is it's been 10-foot drop tested, so you don't have to worry about any breaks, cracks, scratches, anything like that. You got the hard TPU on the edges, smoked out gray color. Drop it on the phone, and let's see how it looks. So you kind of still get to see that blue through the back of there. Is your camera protected? Yes, it is. Everything down bottom looks good, matches up. Now, like I said, this is just a bumper style, but still has those hard rubberized. You get extra cushioning, and it actually tells you about it right here on the box. You get that ultimate protection though. Those edges and then these ridges in the back, they like the edges protect the edges, but the ridges in the back give you air cushioning. Wireless charger, phone, there you go. Wireless charge is a go. You get raised edges right there. You're gonna protect that screen. Nothing's gonna happen to it. You're good to go all the way around. Get that one off. Let's check out this one. Now, this one is all clear, so you'll still get to see whatever color that you have 100%. And I can show you the little air grooves in the back. Those pockets are going to catch air behind them as you put the case in, and it's going to cushion just in case you fall. Buttons still nice and tactile, built into the case. They're just pieces of plastic extension. Same thing, camera sits down in that recess, and all of our buttons down bottom match up. You still get the raised lip right there, so you're going to protect that screen. If anything happens, it just kind of bounces around. As you can see, you still get those hard rubberized edges, so not to break it or crack it. Everything looks good and matches up, and you still get to see that color. And wireless charge is on deck. Next up is the Series 2. Now, I have a black one and a blue one. Now, normally they come in red also. I will show you this. You get customizable buttons. You can change out your buttons on the sides right here. And then it actually tells you that it works with their magnetic mount, because there's a metal plate back here already built into it. You're going to be able to still use the magnetic mount once you put your phone in this case. Now, once again, military drop tested, no issues whatsoever. You slide this in, or you can take the inside TPU out. I just like to slide it in. It does come apart though. The casing separates from the plastic, but I just like to slide it in with the buttons going in first. And there you go. Very slim, very sleek, very minimalistic. You just pop it on, you get your 9 logo down there. Down bottom, everything matches up. Camera sits down in a deep groove. You don't have to worry about that. And everything looks good. Very sleek case. Now, metal is back here. Wireless charge is still a go. So Nimbus 9 has created a case that has magnetic capability, but is not hindered by the actual plate that's in there. So you can still wireless charge. You're still good with that. No issues whatsoever. And the next one will be the blue. We'll just try it on. It's the same as the other one that I just showed you. Still has the same metal plating in there. Buttons go in first. Everything else follows. And there you go. Nice blue backing, matted out finish. Everything looks good. And you can see the separation of the actual plastic and the hard outer shell. So you can take that out if you want to and put it in that way. But I just slide it in where the buttons are facing in first, and then I'm good to go. All of our cutouts, everything matches up. Wireless charge is a go. So I'll drop a link below. You can check these out for yourself. They actually have a great humanitarian program. Every case that you buy, a meal is donated to an orphan. So go by and check them out. Hopefully this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up, and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.